At the edge of a quiet village, a lantern hung beneath a wooden arch, shining so steadily each evening that people barely noticed it anymore. It had once loved its work, but over time its flame grew weak and uncertain. When the sun went down, the lantern tried to glow, then dimmed in embarrassment, afraid the darkness had finally won. On one such night, a tiny figure with bright wings drifted up from the garden path. Tinker Bell paused beside the lantern and tilted her head as if she could hear its worry. She tapped the glass gently, and the lantern gave a faint flicker. "That is not nothing," Tinker Bell said. "That is a beginning." The lantern confessed that it felt too small to matter. The street was long, the shadows were deep, and there were bigger lights on the hill that seemed far more important. Tinker Bell listened without laughing, without interrupting, as if every doubt in the lantern was worth understanding. Then she flew out into the dark and returned with a single firefly in her hands, delicate and gold. She set the firefly near the lantern, and together they shone just enough to outline the path. A child passing by looked up and smiled. A fisherman at the river gate adjusted his steps. A lost cat followed the little pool of light home. The lantern watched all of this in silence. Its flame did not become huge. It did not need to. As more fireflies arrived, the lantern began to glow again, first with a tremble, then with a steady warmth.